We are pleased to show you the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.